that beautiful consistency. What's up guys, hope you guys are having a super amazing day today. Guys, I was going to do an unboxing for you guys, but oh my goodness, as soon as I saw the box, I just had to open it. I had to open it, guys. Eden, I was like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, please don't be broken, please don't be broken. And sure enough, guys, 2 of the 3 hot sauces were broken, like, and I don't know how. Like, the box says fragile, like everything was well packed, tons of packaging stuff, but 2 of them came broken, guys. Like, but see, that's the thing with United States Postal Service, especially this time of year with all the holidays and everything going on. Something's bound to get lost, stolen, or you're gonna receive your item broken, like on my unfortunate case here. But I did receive 1 hot sauce. I already contacted the bro who sent it to me, guys, all the way from Canada. Mark Ford. I will be putting everything on him, on his stuff, so that you guys can check him out on Instagram on the description box down below, so you guys can go check that out. But right now, guys, look at the color of this. Look at this beautiful color. Like, wow, right? It says addictive pepper sauce. You'll finish it in days. Weedy fire. The label got a little messed up, guys, but it's because of these hot sauces over here. Let me go ahead and put this down and get my little spoon. And let's open this one, guys. Wheaties. I didn't grow Wheaties this year, but I did previously grow them like 2 years ago. And they're like exactly like a little Red Hot Cherry miniature version. But they're not like a Red Hot Cherry in taste. These little Wheaties, they actually pack a punch. Like, for such a tiny little pepper, you would not be expecting that. A ver, vamos a abrirlo. A ver si puedo, guys. Sometimes I have a hard time opening it. But it has a little thing here. Just gotta pull it off. All right, there. Okay. Good shake. And let's see how it smells. Okay, it almost has like a sriracha smell to it. But I mean, it doesn't have anything. It doesn't say like what's included in here. But right away, I mean, I can smell some garlic. I love garlic, guys. So let me go ahead and pour some out so you guys can see. You guys see that consistency? Look at that beautiful consistency. I see a lot of little pepper seeds también. Okay, it is like a sriracha, but it tastes fresher. I would definitely put this on chicken. I would put this on my huevos, some eggs in the morning, guys. Oh, so good. You munch on like the little pepper seeds, so I'm assuming they weren't all fresh, but come on, guys, Canada. Like, unless you're actually growing them, it's a really hard place to like grow peppers, you know? Especially if you want an abundance of them. Oh, it tastes good though. This is really good. Whew. The heat, I mean, the heat is there, but it's not like a super strong heat that you can't take it. No, like, you guys see how it said addictive? Like, I want to just get another one. I mean, it is really good, guys. Whew. You get that heat towards the back of your throat, but is that a kind of addictive heat that you just want more and more? Even with chips, guys, or just take spoonfuls like I am. So good. The bro did tell me, oh my goodness, he didn't have to. I told him, you don't have to, bro. But he wants me to try his other hot sauces. So the ones that broke, he will be sending them to me again. Fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully they arrive in perfect condition so that I can try them, so I can do a review for you guys. Thanks a million, bro, for sending them to me. You are so freaking awesome. And thank you guys for watching. You guys are amazing, beyond amazing. Have a super amazing day. Bye.